Hi there. Welcome to another exam time for Basic Chinese. And the content for today's exam will be vocabs from random lessons. The first question, which one is the hanzi of 最近? You can try to guess first. A is 世界, B is 弦子, C is 最近, D is 新鲜, and 最近 is C. The next question, which one is the hanzi of 着急? Do you guys still remember or not? A is 安装, B is 把握, C is 一定, D is 着急, and 着急 is D. The next one, which one is the hanzi of 载具? I will give you time to think first. A is 进步, B is 载具, C is 超级, and D is 搬家. 载具 is B. Another question here, which one is the hanzi of 表扬? I will explain it later. A is 表扬, B is 跳舞, C is 手表, D is 保准, and 表扬 is A. Let's move on to the next question. Which one is the hanzi of 怎么了? You can try to recall first. A is 救护车, B is 怎么了? C is 国庆节, D is 运动员. The right answer for this question is B. Moving on to the next one. Which one is the hanzi of 赶? Is it A, B, C, or D? A is 想, B is 行, C is 偏, D is 赶. The correct answer for this question is D. Moving on to another question here. Which one is the hands of 未来? Which one do you think is the right one, guys? A is 未来, B is 特殊, C is 丈夫, D is 衬衫. And A is the right answer for this question. And finally, guys, the last question for today. Which one is the hands of 高尔夫? Which one do you think is the correct one, guys? A is 小黄人, B is 睡懒觉, C is 高尔夫, D is 受欢迎. And C is the correct answer for this question. And that's all, guys, for our exam time. I hope that you guys had a great time. I'll see you guys on our next lesson then.